Hey everybody, Jamie here, New England Haunter. Welcome back. I feel like I haven't done a video for you guys in a year and a half. I'm going to apologize now because it is in the low 20s right now here in New England. And if you follow my channel, you know that I typically do my video setup here in my shop. It's in the low 20s right now and absolutely freezing outside. I tried starting this video initially in my office, and it's real canny audio in there, and it wasn't the vibe I was looking for. So we're back out here in the shop. I have a space heater right next to me, so you're probably going to hear that humming. Again, my apologies. So where have I been for the last 2 months? I took time off just like I did last year. So November and December, I took that time to spend time with family through the holidays, recharge the batteries, and I was able to take a trip with my lovely wife. Back in early December, we went to Florida, Walt Disney World. We try to go there about once a year. And of course, while we were there, we hit Haunted Mansion a number of times. And it was really cool because the ride, I don't want to say it broke down, but it stopped at one point for probably a good 7 minutes or so, and we happened to be sitting right in front of the singing busts. So it was pretty awesome. We saw that looped over and over, probably 3 or 4 times. I did capture that, a little bit of that on video. Overall, yeah, it was awesome. We had a really good time. Holidays were great. I really hope that all you guys had great holidays as well with whatever it is that you guys celebrate. Before we get into 2026, I just want to send out a huge thank you to everybody. I say that a lot on the channel. It's genuine. I don't mean to sound like a broken record, but you guys are amazing. 2025 was awesome. We started out as a smaller community, and it's starting to grow. I'm learning a lot from you guys. I hope you're learning some stuff from me as well. I've made a lot of friends with subscribers and supporters and other haunters and YouTubers that I've looked up to for years. There's a lot of folks that I talk to quite regularly now, so it's pretty awesome. If you haven't done so already, follow me on Facebook. I am New England Haunter on Facebook, New England Haunter on Instagram. You can email me at newenglandhaunter@gmail.com. I will get back to you almost immediately. And of course, here on YouTube, New England Haunter as well. Facebook is a great tool. I worked last season with some different folks on some of my builds. They ran into some snags, and Facebook Messenger is awesome because you can, it's so easy to send videos back and forth and pictures and messages without having to, give up phone numbers to each other. I helped a bunch of guys out with my builds, and then there was a young lady who was trying to build a Cauldron Creep, and she wasn't even using my tutorial. I guess she used somebody else's tutorial, and she ran into issues, and I'm not sure how our paths even crossed. It might have been on a Facebook page or something, but yeah, her and I ended up going back and forth. She sent me a video. I spotted what I thought would be a fix for it pretty quickly. Her and I went back and forth just for a few days, and then she had a glorious Cauldron Creep in the end. So yeah, it's very helpful. So yeah, New England Haunter on Facebook. Again, Instagram, newenglandhaunter@gmail.com. So on to 2026, what do we have in store? For you folks that have been asking me about the Did It Work series, yes, we're absolutely going to have a season 2 of Did It Work. If you guys are unfamiliar with that, what we did was we went through my build videos, not all of them, but a lot of them, and I let you guys know what did work, what didn't work, if I had issues, what I did to fix them, and little tweaks that I made along the way, how they lasted in the weather. And I do shout outs as well. So if you were one of the people that commented on one of those videos, there's a chance that I might give you guys a shout out for that. Most of the builds that I do on this channel are unique to my channel. So it's stuff that I just came up with on my own and built, and they worked, and then I present them to you guys, and then at some point in time when they're sitting out in front of my house in my haunt display for months, I may run into issues. So that's what we do, is I like to talk about those little tweaks in case you want to build some of these. So like last year, we'll be releasing these videos about every other week, so twice a month between now and end of April. That's around that halfway to Halloween mark. And around that time, I will be doing another giveaway. Last year, we did a Skull Cross build, and we just kind of drew a name from a hat, and a lucky winner got to have that in their haunt display. So I'm going to do the same type of thing this year. And then when halfway to Halloween hits, we're going to start ramping up as far as content goes. So you will start to see more tutorial videos. I do want to try and make it to Salem, Mass this year. I wanted to go last year, but scheduling wise, it was just really difficult between my daughter and my youngest son. We've wanted to plan this trip for quite some time for us three, and I just didn't have the heart to go without them. This past season, their schedules are crazy. My daughter, she's a school teacher. She just started teaching this year, and my youngest son is a musician, very talented, and he's always doing videos and rehearsals and studio stuff. So I figure I can plan well ahead now and tell the kids, hey, we're going to go on this day, rain or shine, whenever it is, you know. So hope to do that this year. Also, here in New England, there are a ton of haunted, eerie spots out here. There's actually a town called Old Wethersfield that's not that far from where I live that had some activity way back when, as far as like the whole, you know, witch trials go. And I've said for years, and my wife says the same thing, when you pass through that town, there's a weird vibration to that town. It's very hard to explain. It does have a very odd feel to it. So again, maybe we'll be able to hit that also. Another thing to look out for is I am working kind of behind the scenes right now with a couple other haunters in doing some collaborations this year on YouTube. So that'll be cool. I'm not 100% sure how we're going to do it yet. We're talking about maybe building a prop or two together. I don't want to say too much about it. I'm not sure if it's going to happen 100%, but that's something that's in the works for this coming season. And the closer we get to Halloween, we'll be doing the Yard Haunt updates, which I do want to mention. I'm not sure how many of you kind of got the joke after a little while, but Jordan at My Flippin' Life, he's the one that kind of started the whole Yard Haunt update. I'm going to say he coined the phrase. Now, I could be wrong on that, but at least in my circle of channels that I've always watched and haunters, I think Jordan kind of started that whole thing. So when I started my channel, I just naturally was doing Yard Haunt updates, and I was calling them Yard Haunt updates. I never really thought about it, and it's probably from watching Jordan. Jordan did reach out to me at some point early on last season asking if he could use the intro for one of my Yard Haunt updates, because I think I had mentioned Jordan in that video. So it kind of became a joke between a whole bunch of us that everybody was saying Yard Haunt update, and Jordan was taking the intros and putting them on his channel. So if you caught Yard Haunt update from, you know, Steve at Steve's Haunted Yard, myself, you know, Jordan, Glenn at Whispering Hills Cemetery, even David from Haunt at the Roxbury, we were all having a lot of fun with that. So we'll definitely be doing the Yard Haunt updates this year as well. We also had a lot of fun last season with the Halfway to Halloween challenge that a bunch of us got in on. I don't know if we'll be doing that again this year, just because it's, unless somebody revises the questions and we do it a little bit different. But I do have some ideas to possibly try and roll some challenges out maybe around that time with other YouTube haunters as well. A couple things I do want to mention is there will be a version 3 groundbreaker this year. I know, call me crazy. The first version was pretty awesome, but honestly, I just built it out of pieces that I kind of had kicking around my shop. It turned out pretty well, and there were a lot of folks that built that and sent me videos and tagged me on Facebook and stuff. That was awesome. Version 2 that I made this past season, I just loved. It turned out really, really awesome. There are a couple tweaks that we'll talk about that'll probably be in the Did It Work series that I want to do just to make it a little more robust. Some folks did run into issues with I think with the power of the motor. So we're gonna build a new version with a different motor on that. So that's something to look out for. Also, my Crypt Dweller, man, I couldn't, that was such an afterthought of a video that I threw together just because I had to do a repair on it. So many people hit me up, both in the comments section and on the side, saying, hey, how did you build it? That's not anything I came up with on my own. That's something that I honestly, at this point, I'm not even sure who came up with it. But it was pretty popular a few years ago or so. So that has to be revamped because I fixed that thing like 3 times this season. And when I went to put it in storage, one of the arms broke off again. The one arm I kept having issues with, and I'm just going to revamp the entire thing, and I'll do a video and I'll show you guys. So if it's something that you want to do, you'll have that as reference. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, like and subscribe. It's completely free content. We have a great community here. If you guys are into Halloween, we do this all year around. So I hope everybody had happy holidays, happy New Year, and we'll see you guys in 2026. Take care.